In this video, I'll show you how to set up a workflow in Jira. First, sign into your Jira account. Once you're logged in, click the Settings icon, then select Issues. Under Workflows, click Add Workflow or Create Workflow, depending on your Jira version. Next, enter a name for your workflow and open the workflow editor. Start by adding the statuses you want to use, such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. After that, create transitions between the statuses. These transitions define how issues move from one stage to another. You can also add conditions, validators, or post functions if your workflow requires additional rules. Once you've finished designing the workflow, click Publish to make it available. Then, associate the workflow with a workflow scheme and assign it to the project where you want it to be used. Finally, test the workflow by moving an issue through each status to make sure everything works as expected. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a workflow in Jira. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.